Hi, my name is Kimatina. This screencast will show you how to add a co-teacher in your class in Google Classroom. First, you need to sign into your Google for Education account. Go to classroom.google.com and go into the class that you need to be in. Click on the People page or the People tab, and at the top right, you will see an icon with a person and a plus sign to invite teachers. Click on that icon. And now you'll be prompted with a window to enter the person's email address that you want to invite. Select their email address from the list or just type it in and click invite. And now that person will be grayed out in the teacher area of the people page. And the reason why it's grayed out is because the person needs to accept the invite, which would be an email. Once they accept the invite, this person's grade area here will be active. I hope you find this screencast helpful.